Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide to switching from Condenser A to Condenser B. If Condenser A has a leakage, you'll need to switch to Condenser B immediately to prevent any further damage or loss of the process fluid. Here are the steps to follow. Step 1. Feed cooling water to Condenser B. Step 2. Open valve V4 until fully opened. Step 3. Slowly open valve V3 until fully open. Step 4. Slowly close valve V1 until fully shut. Step 5. Confirm that the flow has been changed from A to B and all conditions are stable. Step 6. Confirm that there is no leakage from B. Step 7. Stop cooling water to Condenser A. Remember, the switchover procedure should be performed by trained personnel following the company's standard operating procedures and safety guidelines. Thank you for listening, and stay safe.